Alright, we have a Chrysler or Jeep Key Fob battery that is dead, and we need to replace that. The first thing we need is to release and remove the internal key. You can slide the slider over and remove the key. Now, the next step would be, we put this to the side to open the key fob. I do not suggest to do this like I do here with the key, to not damage the electronic parts in there. You could use a fingernail in the gap in between the two parts of the fob. There, or I have a plastic tool here. Plastic tools are always good for this, because you don't shorten out any electronics if you go in there like that. So you carefully separate both of those pieces. Let's put that to the side. Now the buttons and the electronic board in there we can remove very easily. Maybe it is a little sticky depending on how dirty the key is. And in this case here we have a CR2032 battery. It's printed on the shell here, the number. We do need a new battery, and we need to make sure that it's not expired, so there's expiration dates usually on those batteries. They last like 10 years or what. So I would insert a fresh battery, and then we reassemble the fob in reverse order. Make sure the metal part stays in here. There. You push until it clicks. There you go. And that should do it. Now we can reinsert the key until it clicks. There we go. And then we test it. Open the door. Close. You heard the horn in the vehicle. So it works. Perfect. Thanks for watching.